Hi Lexi, how are you today? Are you ready to do a surprise unboxing? Wow, look, I've got a little surprise for you here. Yeah, let's show everybody. Hi everyone, it's Daddy. And we've got a Disney princess box to open, but we've got somewhere missing. Lexi, come on. Come on Lexi, everybody's waiting for you. Here she comes everybody. She's just having something to eat. There she is. Hi, way. Hi everybody, it's Daddy and... Huh? Why have you got your spoon if you've been eating? What is that? Is it nice?
Nice.
Nice. Say hello everybody. You've had a good Christmas, haven't you? If you said you need to say hi everybody, I hope you've had a good Christmas and it's brand new year, isn't it? 2020. Yeah. If you've been enjoying our videos, make sure you subscribe. Yeah, if you press the bell icon as well, you'll get a notification to let you know when a new video comes. And we're going to do loads of new videos in 2020. Yeah, we're going to open the princess surprise toy, aren't we? Yeah, we've got a few of these now. So let's hope we get a different one. Here we go. Shall we open? Okay. So for those that don't know, this is the Disney Princess Series 1 surprise toy. Now inside here is a small princess and a stage, like an area for her to stand on. Yeah. So let me. I think we go in there that way, don't we? Let's see. It's easy to open. Can I borrow this? Thank you. I'm going to use a spoon like a knife. Okay. I don't know how many there is to collect. 3, 6, 9, 12 different ones to collect. Here we go. I think we're in the box. Oh, we've got a hole. Okay, so we're free to open it. Let's put that down over there. And let me Daddy get the plastic wrapping. So, wow, there we go. So, a little box. Let's open the box, see what we've got inside. Oh, we've got a pink stage. That's the plastic stage area, isn't it? Okay, so let's put the empty box over there. And in the box here we have the background. And I don't think we've seen this background before, Lexi. Let's show everybody. It's a waterfall. So that might mean we've got a new princess this time. Let's put that inside there. You put the toy inside there. And it's a pink bag. Pink bag. Say pink? Pink bag. Yeah. Okay, let's open the bag. Let's have a look. Dun, 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 dun. I think that's Moana, but I'm not 100% sure. It's this one, isn't it? Yeah, it's the yellow one. I think it's Moana. People who have watched Disney films more than I have will understand. There we go. I don't know for sure which one it is because it doesn't actually say on the box, but it's a lovely princess, isn't it? In a yellow dress. Yeah, she's going to stand in there. Oh wow, look at that with the waterfall in the background. Here we go everybody. So we're not playing with these ones, are we? We're keeping these as a little display, but you can have a play with it for now. Have a look at the brochure. Aha, so... Oh, I'm sorry everybody, it's Pocahontas. There we go, you see. It does tell you on the leaflet which ones you've got. So far, you can have Ariel. What can you have? You can have even pink, yeah. You can have Ariel. You can have Pocahontas. Snow White, Cinderella. Ariel again. Is that second version? Yeah. Belle. Oh, you dropped it. You're gonna get it. Pick it up. Pick it up. Show everybody on the camera close. Okay, so look, show it everybody like this. That's Pocahontas. So thank you very much, everybody. Oh, you're going to play with it down there. They can't see you there, though, can they? Because the camera's way. Okay, thanks everybody for watching. We'll be back again soon with another surprise unboxing, and we've got some other ideas as well, haven't we? So, from Frozen. Frozen and Frozen 2 are Lexi's favourite films. They're fantastic. But we need to watch Pocahontas now, don't we? Because you've got the princess. So thank you very much, everybody. We'll see you again soon. Say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.